Welcome back, everyone. So whether you seek relief from pain or discomfort, these doctors are using cutting-edge technologies and evidence-based approaches to optimize your health. Today, joining me from Fusion Medical Care is clinical pharmacist and health coach, Laura Gold. Good morning to you, Laura.
Good morning, Angela.
You look beautiful in your gold. I mean, very fitting for your last name.
Thank you.
So you really are a one-stop shop. You do wellness, you do medical, and you do dental.
We do. And Fusion Medical Care is designed to work with people with the holistic approach. It is a primary care practice which we have an award-winning team of interdisciplinary healthcare practitioners who practice regenerative medicine, integrative and functional medicine, holistic medicine, as well as dentistry and aesthetics.
Wow.
Our goal is to make our patients feel great in their body and confident in their appearance.
I love this. As I'm going to the dentist this afternoon for a 3-hour dentist appointment, I would love to go to one place where I can do all of it in one, right?
And that's what people love to do. They really impressed with the setting that we have. It's very welcoming and beautiful.
So you're a pharmacist by trade?
I am a conventionally trained pharmacist, and I do not dispute the needs for prescription medications when necessary. But my approach to manage chronic conditions is based on integrative medicine.
So it sounds like you're combining more of like a Western and Eastern philosophy in terms of how you treat medicine?
Absolutely, and that's what basically Fusion Medical Care is designed to fuse innovative medicine with traditional roots.
You know, it makes me think. So I go to my primary care physician. They prescribe something for me. I know my primary care physician. I don't know the pharmacist. If I go to Safeway or I go to Fry's to get it filled, I don't know them, right? So I don't really have a relationship with the pharmacist. But at your facility, it sounds like you really have a relationship with everyone on the spectrum in terms of your medical treatment.
And that's what my role is. I love to work with people who are health conscious, but also I work with a lot of chronically ill patients. And my mission is to help patients who are taking multiple medications on a daily basis and chronically sick. And along with the doctors, together we sit down with the patients and help them to adjust their dosages if it's possible, or even eliminating some of the medications that are not necessary. And that way we help to improve their side effects, improve their adverse reactions and contraindications.
It sounds wonderful. I mean, I think the goal would be, right, to get people on the least amount of prescription medicines that they would need, not only for them financially, but also for insurance companies, I would think.
That's very true. And prescription medications, like I mentioned, I do not dispute the needs for them, but prescription drug use is #1 reason for cognitive decline. And there is time and place for medications, but we all know that masking symptoms with medications will not get to solve the underlying issues.
I can only imagine living with chronic pain on a day in, day out basis. I mean, when I have a little plantar fasciitis from running, it's really painful, but I know people live with this indefinitely. Is there a story that comes to mind that you can say, you know, I had this patient come in and I saw a transformation because of how we treat our patients?
Absolutely. There was a lady who could barely walk, and her knees bothered her so much. She was ready to try anything and everything possible out there. And when our doctor offered her a simple treatment to improve her health, she saw the huge impact and big difference in the way she felt. She only needed 3 consecutive injections of the prolotherapy, and I believe there was a combination of stem cell therapies as well. And
you're doing the PRP and the stem cell and all of that, yeah.
And all the
wonderful,
all the methods of the regenerative medicine, and she could not be more than happy with the results that we all saw.
Laura Gold with Fusion Medical Care. Thank you so much for joining us today, and thanks for this great information.
Thank you, Angela.
Really helpful for a lot of people out there,
Glad
I'm sure.
to be here.
Yeah.
Thank you.